Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the world of web scraping with a little AI magic. We're shining a light on an awesome free tool called Magical Tool, which makes scraping data from websites a breeze. Web scraping is the process of extracting specific data from websites. This data can be a goldmine for tasks like price comparison, building targeted marketing lists, or even training AI models. All right, buckle up for a live demonstration. We'll be using Magical Tool to scrape data. Go to your browser and search getmagical.com. Head over to Magical Tool's website and click the Get Started Free Tool button. Sign up with your email or Google account. Click on it, choose your account and continue. Now type all information like first name, last name, and what type of data do you do. And then some more information and click the Continue button at the bottom. Now install the Magical Tool extension on Chrome by clicking it. After installation, you will see a dashboard to paste the URL into Magical Tool. Or you can open your website like Pinterest and scrape data of any product. So click on the product, which you want to scraping. Click the magical extension icon on the right side. The AI will spring into action, analyzing the website and highlighting the data points you can extract. Simply point and click to select the data you want. Magical Tool offers various export options. Hit the Transfer To button and click the Spreadsheet option. In a few moments, you will see all the product information is available in the Excel sheet. Now let's scraping about any social profiles like LinkedIn. Open a LinkedIn account or other social media account. Choose any profile which you want to explore and wanted to scrape data. Open the profile in the new tab by right-clicking. Now click the Magical Extension button on the right side. You will see all the data about the selected profile. To export it, click the Transfer To button at the bottom. Then select Spreadsheet to open the data in an Excel sheet. Always check the website's terms and conditions to make sure scraping is allowed. And if you found this tutorial helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech content, and hit the notification bell to stay in the loop.